How to make $10,000 per month in passive income, step by step. Want to make $10,000 a month in passive income? Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or relax with family. Well, today, I'm going to break down a simple, step-by-step plan to help you reach that goal. No fluff, just real, actionable strategies. Let's get into it. Step 1. Choose your passive income model. The first step is picking the right passive income model. Not all streams are created equal. Here are the top options. Option 1. Digital products. Think ebooks, courses, templates, create once, sell forever. Option 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love, earn commissions on every sale, zero inventory needed. Option 3. Dividend stocks. Invest in stocks that pay you just for holding them. The more shares, the more you earn. Option 4. Rental properties or Airbnb. Own property, rent it out, and collect monthly cash flow. Option 5. YouTube and content creation. Yes, YouTube can be passive, ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links make it a money machine. Your job? Pick one or two that fit your skills and interests. Step 2. Build the system. Passive income is not 100% passive upfront. You have to set up systems. For digital products, create and upload once, then automate sales with a website or marketplace. For affiliate marketing, build a blog, YouTube channel, or email list that drives traffic. For stocks, invest regularly, reinvest dividends, and let compounding do the work. For real estate, automate management with a property manager or smart tech. Step 3. Scale to $10,000 per month. Now let's talk about scaling, because making $100 is nice, but we want $10,000. Tip 1. Multiply income streams. Stack different streams. Example: a blog earns from ads, affiliate links, and a digital course. Tip 2. Automate and outsource. Use tools like email marketing, scheduling apps, and even virtual assistants to handle work for you. Tip 3. Reinvest profits. Take what you earn and reinvest. Buy more stocks, create more products, or scale ads. Step 4. Stay consistent and avoid these mistakes. Most people quit too early. Here are mistakes to avoid. Waiting for the perfect idea. Start with what you know and improve over time. Not reinvesting. If you cash out everything, growth stops. Ignoring marketing. You need traffic to make money. Invest in promotion. If you follow these steps, you can build a passive income stream that grows into $10,000 a month and beyond. But remember, passive income is built, not wished for. Which passive income stream are you starting with? Comment below. If you found this valuable, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next money-making video. Until next time, keep building your wealth.